in this room is the world of reality. In this room, I'm holding a space for reality. Outside those doors is the BS fake world of political correctness. Meaning, for me to do a politically correct workshop, which never happens, now I'm going to let you make up your stories about what that means and judge me. That's fine. For me to do a politically correct workshop means I have to psychically read every single one of your minds, know every single thing that's happened in your life, so that I don't say something that offends you. Is that pretty accurate? Is that anywhere near even 1% possible? Yeah. So how many people here live in that world that other people are supposed to respect your beliefs and your opinions in your head that you never told them? How many people have ever created an expectation for another human? Never shared the expectation with them. Then when they don't fulfill the expectation that they know nothing about, who are you upset at? Them. That's insane. And you do it over and over. And listen, there's no wrong about it. It's just because every single person has been trained that way. Because we have become a country of completely irresponsible people. And it's okay, because I'm going to teach you how to get your power back, and then you can choose what to do or not.